Thumbnail Blaster review. Okay, so this is a really cool thumbnail creator for creating YouTube thumbnails. I'm going to go over some of the features. There's different levels of packages or whatever. I have the standard package at the moment. There'll be a link in the video description below for the lowest price at the time, because the prices change on these things frequently. Maybe not frequently, but sometimes. So I'm not going to go over the prices and stuff. I'll show you what the prices are of at the moment. But anyways, let's just get right into this. So with my standard package, I can sync one YouTube account. The next level up, the pro package, you could do multiple accounts, and then there's even an agency level where you can have clients and sync their YouTube accounts and stuff like that. But I'm not going to go into all that. I'm just going to show you the thumbnail creator thing at the moment. So here's our thumbnail creator tab over here. And while we're doing this, I'll talk about some other features. You can split test different thumbnails as well. If you want to try different thumbnails to see which one works the best. So I have my videos from YouTube here. Some of these I've redone. This is good too if you want to go back and redo thumbnails. But I'm going to start one from scratch because I have a video I haven't uploaded yet that I'm going to do. So I'm going to start with no video right here. You could do from YouTube. You could pick one of these videos down here or whatever. But I have no video selected, as you can see. So I'm going to start with no video. My standard package comes with these ones labeled in green, and you can switch these on and off here. So I think there's about 30 ones that come with it, 30 templates that you could start with. And you could even start from scratch and build your own. But then there's the club level. And by the way, the package, standard package, is a one-time payment. And so is the pro package. If you get the pro package, it's a one-time payment. But the club membership is either monthly or you could do it yearly as well. And with the club membership, I think there's like 300 templates, and then they put 20 new templates each month up. So these are some of those. There's a lot here, so I'm not going to show you all of them. I'll just scroll around. So yeah, there's a lot of templates here, a lot of stuff. And like I said, 20 each one a month. I'm probably going to upgrade soon. I just haven't done yet, and I'll probably do another review when I upgrade. And then you have my templates, and these are ones that I created or used in my other videos. So, in fact, let me start from scratch with. Well, I'll start with one of these because the one I'm doing is very similar to the one I've used. So let me just do it right here. I'm going to take this one here and start this template. Now I started with a template. I kind of, made it my own. So how easy is this to use? It's very simple. So we have text, shapes, photos, all kind of really cool stuff. These emojis and stuff like that. So I'm going to change the text here. So this is going to be for rain money, payment proof video. And that's why I'm keeping it pretty much the same. And check out some of this stuff here. So this rain money here, these are the text. There's all kinds of fonts in here, really cool fonts you can use. I don't know how many there are, but there's a lot. Right now I have a strike, which is the background like that. You can change these colors very easily. Right now I have it black. You can put a shadow on it if you want to. You can change the color of that very easily. Actually, I kind of like that. You could do the offset, how much you want an offset. It's very simple to use. Okay, so you say I want to change this picture of this girl here. There's lots of images. You could upload your own images. There's some in the system here. Now the pro, I think the pro version of these images here, if you use one, you could cut the backgrounds out. I don't have the pro version, so I already have a photo that I cut the background out that I uploaded, which is this girl right here. But that's a different thing with the pro features. And then it has a pixel bay built right in, so you can search, let's just say money. You could just do a quick search on Pixabay and then add those photos in as well, which is really cool. So whatever you're looking for. Some other cool things in here are shapes. There's lots of clip art, arrows, basic shapes, buttons, the emojis and stuff like that, or iOS emojis, other emojis here, and you just kind of clip on them and click on it, and it just appears there, and you can adjust the size real quick, do whatever you want with it, delete it if you don't like it. And then there's an undo button as well, which I can put that back up there if I want to. Let's put that down here. So let me change this girl real quick. Put a different girl in there. And they actually, in the shape thing, they actually have some, let's see, basic shapes. They call them cutouts. They're kind of hard to see, but these are like basically images with, for example, just pop back. I could say I could replace that image. And it didn't pop up for some reason. So I'll add it in. But you could just pop that in there. And then you could have layers here if you want to move her back. So I'm actually going to change her because I don't want that one in there. Go back to shapes. Let's see what those we got here we could use. Let's check this guy out. Replace image. It worked that time. You can pop him there. I don't like that one, so I'll change that one again. Let's use that one. And then this stuff here, you can move around. Like this is just, you know, design stuff. And then we have different backgrounds and stuff right now. There's patterns. You could do the granite stuff. There's, I believe this is one of these patterns right here right now, what we're using. You could do images. There's so much stuff you can do. You could go here and change the color of this if you want to. I kind of like the way the color it is. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. But it's so quick to design stuff. And then you could save this as a template if you want to. You know, change the name of it. Rain Money. Let's just call it payment proof. And we could just download it right from here as a JPEG, or we can save and continue. Now, I'm gonna do the save as a JPEG real quick. But if we save and continue, we can publish it right to YouTube, or if I have that video selected, I could publish it there. We can also save as a PNG file, save with a watermark, all kinds of other stuff. So really quick to make thumbnails, eye-popping thumbnails, grab your attention. Let's check out some of the other stuff here. So in the Pro version, there's this AI image analyzer. So it's basically the same thing as Google Cloud Vision. It's kind of just integrated into the software where I made a separate video about that. I'll put a link in the description below, but it just analyzes the photo, tells you if it's racy, tells you if it's adult content, because they know, and they know there's clip art on it. They can read the text on it. And it kind of looks like this. This picture here, it says font 80%, swimwear, and knows he's wearing swimwear. It's advertising 51%. And then it has a safe search feature where it tells you if it's adult, possible, spoof, unlikely, medical, unlikely, violent, unlikely, racy, very likely. So it analyzes your photos, which is good for YouTube, you know, algorithms, because, you know, it doesn't want to show, you know, adult stuff and racy stuff to, you know, kids and stuff like that, or whatever. But anyways, that's one of the cool features built right into the Pro version. The split test feature here. You could do split tests. I don't have anything up here right now because I haven't done any of those yet. But it's a cool way to make two thumbnails for one video. It tests one out for, you can set the time length, and then it tells you what one performs better. So let's take a look at some of the different features. I went over some of that. We have the standard version, which you get the 30 templates. Upgrade to Pro, Here's some of the differences here. So with the Pro, you get multiple accounts, YouTube accounts, VIP support, the image analyzation I just talked about, save custom templates. See, I'm saving custom templates in the standard version, so this might have changed, I guess. Oh, there's image filters, remove backgrounds from the images, which would be a really cool feature. Save a lot of time when you get your photos from Pixabay and stuff like that. So that's some of the differences there. And then there's the Club, upgrade to Club. Now this one is you could either pay monthly or annually, and you get 200 and you get 300 templates with the 30 included, 20 new ClickBank templates, 20 templates each month. So right now there's 330 templates, so there'll be 20 templates added each month, and that again is a monthly subscription or yearly if you want to do it yearly. So a lot of really cool stuff. I definitely recommend it. I'm probably going to upgrade to the monthly club here because you don't want to keep using the same templates over and over again. Things change. Trends change. You might a bunch of new stuff coming out, whatever. But anyways, that is a really quick review of Thumb Blaster here. I'm having fun with it. I think it's awesome. In fact, the ClickBank, ClickBank. It's a 30-day money back guarantee. Although on some of them I did see 60 days, so I don't know what the thing is. I saw some that said 60-day money back guarantee. But anyways, check it out. It probably changes, whatever. But at the time, I can't even talk today. Check out the link in the video description below for the latest prices and all that stuff. And it is a referral code or affiliate code, so I will make a additional income off of it, but no additional charge to you. But anyways, subscribe to the channel. Check out my hundreds of other videos. I make videos about making money online. And that's it.